Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. This is the part second of our imperative tense. In the first part, we have discussed the regular verbs with imperative, and this part we are going to discuss irregular verbs in imperative. Right? So let's get started. I have mentioned 4 irregular verbs which are mostly irregular, right? First one is être, to be. Sois, soyons, soyez. As we have discussed in our last video that we are using only 3 forms, tu, nous and vous. So tu form will be sois, nous form will be soyons and vous form will be soyez for être. For avoir, it will be et, ayons, ayez. Et, ayons, ayez. Clear? Tu, nous and vous. Then savoir. Savoir will be sache, sachons, sachez. Sache, sachons, sachez. Tu, nous and vous form. Vouloir. Vouloir has 2 forms. One is voy or veux. Voyons or voulons. Voyez or voulez. So any of the 2 we can use. Clear? Then imperative verbs with object pronoun. How does it behave in case of object pronouns? I have written some examples. Donne-le lui. Give it to him. Give it to him. It will be separated by a hyphen. Donne-le lui. Mange-la. Eat it. Eat it. With the object pronoun, right? This is with the object pronoun. So we put it after the verb. Object pronoun should be after the verb. But in case of negative, it comes to in front of the verb. For example, ne le lui donne pas. Don't give it to him or her. Ne le lui donne pas. Right? In case of affirmative, it will come after the verb. In case of negative, it will be before the verb. Ne la mange pas. Don't eat it. Ne la mange pas. I hope this is clear. Then there is a note, me and te become moi and toi in case of affirmative. For example, passe-moi le sel. Sel is salt. Give me or pass the salt to me. Passe-moi le sel. This is for me and te only. Rest will remain same. Lève-toi. Lève is to get up. Get up. Lève-toi. Get up, and it will be separated by a hyphen. The same case. Right? In the description box, I'll write few more examples for your convenience. You can check that out as well. Right? So let's discuss these verbs with the help of examples. Aie confiance en toi. Te est capable. Tu. It's not te est. Tu es. Tu es capable de réussir. Have confidence. You are capable to succeed. Aie confiance en toi. Tu es capable de réussir. Have confidence. You are capable to succeed. Clear? First form, this one. Then, ayons un peu de patience, tout se passera bien. Have a little patience, all will be fine. Passera bien. Future. Have, or it's basically a new form. Let's have a little patience, all will be fine. Ayons un peu de patience, tout se passera bien. Then, vous form, ayez. This one. Ayez votre passeport prêt. pour le contrôle à la frontière. Frontière is to border. Have your passport ready for the border control. Ayez votre passeport prêt pour le contrôle à la frontière. Clear? Then, adverb. Sois gentil à ta sœur, elle a besoin de ton soutien. Be kind to your sister, she needs your help. Soutien, support. She needs your support. Avoir besoin de, right? Sois gentil. Be kind to your sister, she needs your support. Sois gentil à ta sœur, elle a besoin de ton soutien. Then, soyons prudents en traversant la route. Route is road. Let's be careful while passing the road or while crossing the road. Soyons prudents en traversant la route. Or let's. Prudent means let's let's be careful while crossing the road. Clear? Soyez à l'heure pour la réunion de travail. Soyez. Be on time for the work meeting. Soyez à l'heure pour la réunion de travail. Réunion is meeting. The travail is work meeting. Be on time for the work meeting. Then, savoir. Sache que je serai toujours là pour t'aider. Know that I will be there or I will be always there for your help. Sache que je serai toujours là pour t'aider. Pour t'aider. Sachons apprécier les petits moments de bonheur dans la vie. Bonheur is happiness, right? Let's know how to appreciate the small moments of happiness in the life. Sachons apprécier les petits moments de bonheur dans la vie. Then, vous form. Sachez que vous pouvez compter sur notre soutien. Know that you can count on our support. Compte sur. Count on. Sachez que vous pouvez compter sur notre soutien. Know that you can count on our support. Then, vouloir. You can use both. Vous or voyez. Right? Or voulons or voyons. And voyez, voulez. Voyez-tu bien fermer la porte en sortant? Voyez-tu? Right? Voyez-tu bien fermer la porte? So, voyez is, would you close the door while leaving or on the way of your leaving or on the way of your exit? Voyez-tu bien fermer la porte en sortant? Could you or would you close the door while leaving? Voulons-nous vraiment partir en vacances à la montagne cette année? Voulons-nous, because this is new form. So, do we really want to live on vacation on the hills this year? Voulons-nous vraiment partir en vacances à la montagne cette année? Instead of voulons, you can use voyons also. Both are same here. Next is, veuillez remplir ce formulaire avant de passer à la caisse. Caisse is cashier. Please fill the form before going to the cashier. Veuillez remplir ce formulaire avant de passer à la caisse. So you can choose any out of two. Both are equally applicable. Right? Now there's one more note. S comes back with on and e, with pronoun on and e. For example, parle on, talk about it. So here this is tu form, but s is there. Talk about it. Vas-y, go ahead. Tu form, but s is there. So s will come back with the on and e. I hope imperatives are clear, or in case you have any queries, questions, you can always write in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.